Assalamu alaikum and good evening to all present. Welcome to FutureX Learning. And today I'm very much proud to announce and to introduce two big guns of FutureX family. From last 1 month, they were after me that, sir, we want to do something innovative. And today, when actually I have seen their work and I have discussed this with my teachers, we feel very much proud of these two young guns. So before I say anything else, I want them to introduce yourself. We'll start with this guy in black. So what's your name?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum
My
salam.
name is Muhammad Musa, and I'm a 10th class student at FutureX Haval campus. I study in Kashmir Harvard.
Okay. And what's your name?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zihan. I study at FutureX Learning. I'm from Campus Haval.
Okay. So both of them have done something amazing. So first I'll come to Musa. So Musa, tell me what have you done?
Basically, I have made an app for FutureX. It's an e-learning app, LMS app for FutureX. Uh,
Explain us what is LMS and tell me what is this app. देखो when I was in, I'll tell you बच्चों जब मैं class 10th में पढ़ता था I only knew physics and chemistry but I do not know what is this LMS. Explain me and 10th class का बच्चा कैसे ये सब डिजाइन कर रहा है वो समझाओ.
Basically, LMS means Learning Mechanism System,
Okay.
mechanical system. Basically, this system is used in all the e-learning apps that you are having, any app you are having. They include courses, paid courses or courses, all courses with a login and registration forms and all that. I have made this app using XML files, HTML, C++, Python, and for security and backend, I have used Java+.
Okay. So how many days did it take you to make this app?
It took me 4 days to make it, but
Only 4 days. अच्छा झूठ. 4 days कैसे possible है? 4 days में. So tell me. एक महीने से क्या कर रहे थे फिर?
basically I was making this AI enhancer that I have used AI that I have used that I was making it मतलब
Okay,
एक month
so
से
you made the tool. उसमें कितना टाइम लगा?
उसमें मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा उसमें मुझे एक मंथ लगा
ओके उसमें 1 मंथ लगा फिर
हाँ
कंपाइल करने में 4 दिन लगे.
चार
सो फेयर इनफ वी कैन से. सो टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस ए एनहांस्ड ऐप. इसमें होता क्या है? व्हाट आर द फीचर्स एंड ये होता क्या है प्लीज?
बेसिकली AI एनहांस्ड ऐप मींस AI जो है इसमें वो मैंने खुद बनाया है वो आपको असिस्ट करेगा आपको किधर क्या करना है ये आपको हर कई जगह रिकमेंडेशन मिलेगी आपको क्या करना है और जो ये बटन मिल रहा है ये AI का ही बटन है ये इस बटन से आपको 24/7 सपोर्ट मिलेगा बाय बॉट्स जो एक AI बॉट रहेगा एंड अगर इफ मतलब नीडेड जो बॉट करेगा वो आपको रीडायरेक्ट करेगा किसी टीचर के पास दैट पर्टिकुलर टीचर ऑफ इफ यू आर हैविंग डाउट ऑफ एनी सब्जेक्ट इट विल गो
Okay, you have designed that bot that will direct us to the teachers. जो भी
yes
for example we'll take chemistry हारिस सर पढ़ा रहे हैं तो bot पे click करते हैं and it will direct us to bot of हारिस सर.
yes sir
Bot of हारिस सर और हारिस सर.
bot of Horizon also when it will be needed when a bot will be not able it will redirect to the there will be a mail to Horizon.
Okay. Okay, so Zian, he has made the app. What have you done?
I have made the FutureX learning website. I have used HTML file, CSS3, uh, and also for backend codes I have used JavaScript in which I have used Firebase authentication, Firebase data storage which is powered by Google, and also for if there is an end-to-end
Privacy concern.
end-to-end encrypted files
Okay.
if student data is completely safe
So
without my
nobody can hack it.
no
आप वो बोलना चाह रहे
जी
हो. Okay. कितना time लगा ये app बनाने में?
ये लगा मुझे लगभग 6 दिन लगभग एक हफ्ता
Okay, एक हफ्ता यार क्या 4 दिन है एक हफ्ता. मुझे लगता है मैं ही old model हूँ. So tell me guys, how do you manage both studies as well as this thing? We'll start with Musa. How do you manage both of these things?
Basically if you are passionate about something you can manage it
Okay.
time
So how
free
many hours a day you use it for this? अच्छा, do you study? पढ़ते हो कि
हाँ
only apps and this?
नहीं मतलब इसके लिए एक घंटा भी दिन का काफ़ी है
Okay. So Zian, tell me कितना time लगता है?
मैं तो इसी के साथ होता हूँ मैं हर दिन सोचता हूँ कोई नया आइडिया आ जाए दिमाग में फिर मैं वो यूज़ कर सकूँ जैसे मैंने इस वेबसाइट में अपने वो वाले आइडियाज़ यूज़ किए जो मैं पहले से ही सोच चुका था दिमाग में मैं क्या करूँगा इस वेबसाइट में
Okay. So tell me one thing. ज़्यादा अच्छी percentage किसकी आती है? मूसा की जियान की?
मूसा की
मूसा की कितनी percentage आती है?
in 90s 80s 90s
90s and जियान?
70s
यार हम तो 60s में थे और हम ऐप भी नहीं बनाते थे. तो guys, I want to tell you this thing. This is a very proud moment when I see these youngsters doing these things. And through this video, beta, I want to reach all those entrepreneurs, all those people who want to make up their app, who want to make up their website. These two young guns are here. Contact them and try to make cheapest rates पे मिल जाएगी ना.
हाँ जी,
थोड़ा एक
obviously.
idea दे दो. Approx if we go into market and we have to make a app, 7-8 हज़ार 10,000 तो लगते हैं. What would be your rate for this app?
Almost I will give a 80% discount.
Okay, 80% discount. And site के लिए?
साइट के लिए कम ही लग सकता है, लगभग अराउंड.
Chalo, let's not disclose that. So anybody who wants their app to get designed, anybody who wants their website to get designed, please contact FutureX Learning, these two big guns. We'll be uploading their numbers in the description below. And before we conclude, I want to thank the Kashmir Harvard School. I think the talent these guys are having, all credit goes to the teachers and management of that school who are doing tremendous job and helping these students not just study but go into these things also. So we'll again come up, Zian and what I call Musa and Zian would be coming up with the detailed videos about every app details, minute details about the website. I think tomorrow they'll be sharing these complete videos. So जिस बच्चे को भी basics देखना है how to make an app or how to make a website, Zian and Musa would be teaching you fortunately. So please stay tuned to FutureX Learning. And कोई भी बच्चा कश्मीर में है or outside Kashmir also, you want a platform, you want any support from our side, please feel free to contact us. I wish you all the best, Musa and Zian. You have made all of us proud. And inshallah site ये live कब होगी? Zian?
साइट होगी कुछ दिनों में लाइव.
Okay. And app?
App almost एक week में.
Okay, app would be available on Apple phone or both Apple and Play Store.
Both.
Okay, so site तो वो तो किसी भी phone पे आ जाएगी. So बच्चों, I wish you all the best and share this video so that ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा customers Zian और मूसा को मिले. ठीक है? Thank you, all the best.